screw-ups offer opportunities, and I left my brush out and my palette with acrylic paint, and it made it nice and hard. So you think that might be the end of that brush, you throw it away, but no, wait! We've got this weird looking gook. Actually, it's just Ivory soap and water, and you stick your brush in there for several days, and you come back and check it out. Look at that, the paint's coming off. Let's wash it, and it's coming out. Woohoo! So it's not lost after all. This is one of my favorite brushes. Thank you to my friend Lori Kiergaard for telling me about this awesome trick. Ivory soap, a bar of just an old-fashioned bar of soap. Well, Ivory soap. You put it in the jar and you fill up the jar just over the top of the bar of soap, and then it turns into this. And that's it.